Hi, this is Anne with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to make overlapping or interlocking letters in Adobe Illustrator. And this is something that you can do with the Intertwine feature, which is new as of 2023. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I'm here in Adobe Illustrator, and the easiest way to do this is to just get on your selection tool, select the things that you want to interlock, and you'll have to be in Adobe Illustrator 2023 or 2024 to be able to do this. Other versions don't have this feature yet. We'll come up here to Object, Intertwine, and Make. And it doesn't change anything yet. Then we need to draw around the part that we want to intertwine. And then we get this effect. Now, if you want to edit this after you've already intertwined it, you can do that. You'll need to select the two objects first, then go to Object, Intertwine, and Edit. Then we can draw around what we want to release and maybe make this intertwine. So that is the simplest form of intertwine. I'm going to show you a couple more examples. The first one you just saw was with outline text, but this one has live text. And we can do the same with this. So I'm going to select both pieces, and then I'll come up to Object, Intertwine, and Make. And I do want to mention you will want to be as zoomed in as you need to be for this to work. Once you get off of the lasso tool, you'll have to go back up to Object, Edit to get back to it. But if you had to do this before, it's so much easier now. So now we have the ribbon kind of interweaving through all the text, and we can still type in here if we want to. Now, if we type new words, it doesn't update because it doesn't know where we would want to have those overlaps. So you would definitely have to edit the intertwine in that case. And then the last design is kind of more of the same. And don't judge me for the design. I'm not sure it's completely successful, but it's a good example for this tutorial. So we can select our two pieces, go to Object, Intertwine, and Make. And then we can decide what parts of this will be overlapping and which parts will go under. Just then I got onto my selection tool, and so I'm out of the intertwine at that point. So I'll have to go back in and go to Object, Intertwine, and Edit. And then I can go ahead and make edits like before. And that's it. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, and you'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!